Have you ever wondered how to create a garden that attracts a variety of beautiful birds? Imagine a chorus of birdsong greeting you each morning, colorfully feathered friends flitting around, brightening up your day. A bird-friendly garden is more than just an aesthetic delight. It's a sanctuary, a vital haven for many bird species, playing a crucial role in their conservation. Creating a bird-friendly garden is not as complicated as it might seem. Here are some simple steps to guide you. First, choose plants that provide food for birds. This can be anything from fruiting trees to plants that attract insects. A key consideration here is to opt for a variety of native plants. These are inherently attuned to your local climate and soil, making them a sustainable choice. More importantly, native plants produce different kinds of seeds, berries, and nectar, catering to a wide palette of avian tastes. Now let's talk about water. Birds need it for drinking and bathing. A simple bird bath or a small pond can work wonders. If you want to go the extra mile, consider incorporating a water feature with a gentle drip or spray. The sound of water is irresistible to our feathered friends. Shelter and nesting sites are equally important. A mix of trees, shrubs, and grasses can provide excellent cover and nesting spaces for a variety of birds. Remember to include some evergreens for year-round shelter. You can also add birdhouses or nesting boxes for species that prefer a ready-made home. Creating a bird-friendly garden is more than just a landscaping project. It's about fostering a vibrant, living ecosystem right in your backyard. Remember, the more diverse your garden, the more types of birds it will attract. Creating a bird-friendly garden is a rewarding experience that brings life, color, and music to your backyard. It's a wonderful way to support local wildlife and enjoy nature's symphony. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!